Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to connect PayPal to Gumroad very easily. Let's get started. First thing, make sure you're logged into your Gumroad account. Here, you don't need to really worry about any of these. You can just go to the left side, scroll down and go to settings. There are many sections here. The one that we're looking for is the payments section. Here first you have to make sure that your account is verified and scroll down. Here is the payout schedule. You can choose how often you would like to receive payments, and here the minimum payout threshold. Payout method. Now this is very important because you have to fill in all these empty bars to have your bank account here. Here your first name, last name, address, city, postal code, country, phone number, here your birthday. Here now is PayPal. This is very important because it's saying here that you must have earned at least $100 and also you must have received at least one successful payout. Once you have received these, then you can be able to connect PayPal to Gumroad here. Here, if you go to payouts here, you're gonna find the same thing, reach a balance of at least $10 to be paid out for your sales. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you next video.